It was dark, streetlights threw shadows through the park. I was late, first impression I failed to shake. You were stirred, a little bit shorter than I expected. I was sure I'd lose my cool, but somehow I kept it. And that was the first time I laid my eyes on you. Mad. I gave you every excuse that I had. And as we wondered, oh, how I lusted for longer. Through alleyways, romantic games, the next few days we fell into each other. You were my one true real life lover. That was the first time